Hey everyone, how's it going? In today's fun video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw Winnie the Pooh. So I hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with Winnie the Pooh, let's begin with the eyes. Starting right here, let's go ahead and color in a little black dot here and a little black dot right here for his eyes. Now underneath the eyes, let's make a little sad face shape. Next, let's work on his nose. So right in between the eyes, let's make a little curved line for the top of the nose. Then we're going to come down and then up. And we can go ahead and color that in. Right above the nose, let's go ahead and make a little sad face shape, or kind of like the wrinkle right above it. Now, to draw his mouth, let's begin by making a nice, tall, smiley face shape. And we're going to put a little line at the end of each one. Next, let's go ahead and make another smiley face shape underneath here. And we'll draw a little sad face in there for his tongue. And we can draw a little smiley face shape underneath there for his chin. Now let's make his cheeks. Let's begin right here, and we're going to draw a line that goes up, and it's going to curve in. And we can do that same thing over here. Go up and curve in. Next, we're going to bring this line up and down for the top of Winnie the Pooh's head. And let's curve a line here and curve a line here for his eyebrows. For his ears, let's just make a little oval shape up here and another oval shape right up here. Now for the front of his shirt, let's draw a line that comes down here and down here, kind of like a little V shape. Now let's draw his first arm over here. We're going to draw a line that's going to come out at an angle, and then we're going to come back here. Then we're going to curve this line around like this for his hand. Let's bring this line up a little bit, and let's bring this line in. Now let's make his other arm. Let's draw a line that's going to curve up here, and we're going to bring this down. Now right here, let's draw a line for the sleeve, and then we'll draw another line for his sleeve right here. And I like to draw a little line here and a little line right here for part of his shirt. Now starting here, we're going to make his body. So let's begin by drawing a nice curvy line that's going to come up to here. Then we'll make a line that's going to come right across here for his shirt. And I like to add another little line here for some detail. Now let's make his legs. Starting here, we're going to draw a line that comes down. Then we're going to make a little line that's going to curve around here for the foot. And let's bring this up. Let's do that same thing here. We're going to come down Let's curve this line around, and we can just bring it right to here. And there you go, there is your drawing of Winnie the Pooh. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.